Tarsier Park. Daming tao today. Daming turista, guys. Asa na si ano, Ben? Bishi. Guys. Doon si Bishi. Guys. Daming turista. Bakit kaya, no? Many people loves Philippines. No? Loves to visit here in Philippines, guys. Bohol. So they are from Korea, guys. Oh. Oh, maraming tagaan. Taga ibang bansa. Ibang lugar. Oh, guys. Bohol. Oh, dito. Picture na tayo dito, guys. I love Bohol. As you can see. Yeah. I love Bohol. Picture tayo dyan mamaya. Yun lang, guys, for today's video. Ang ating update, guys. Dito tayo sa Tarsier, guys, Bohol. So we are excited to see the Tarsier. Ano, best? Guys, I love